In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a price alert on eToro. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get notified when a market reaches a price that matters to you, so you can react without constantly watching the screen. We'll begin from the asset page. This is the dedicated page for the stock, crypto, commodity, or currency pair you care about. If you're already there, great. Just make sure you're viewing the correct instrument and its current market price. It's a good habit to double check the ticker or name, especially if there are similar assets, and note the current price so you have a reference point for your alert. From the asset page, move to the chart. The chart view gives you a live look at price movement and is where eToro places the alert controls. Once the chart loads, take a moment to orient yourself. You're looking for the area where price is displayed and the toolbar around the chart. It's helpful to set a time frame that matches your intent. Alerts are triggered by the price itself, not the time frame, but a suitable view can help you choose a sensible level. Now find and select the Alerts option, typically shown as a bell icon. This is your control center for creating a new price alert on the asset you're viewing. When you open it, you should see a simple interface that lets you define the condition for your alert. Set your target price. Decide whether you want to be alerted when the price moves up to or beyond a certain level or when it drops to a lower threshold. Type in the exact price you have in mind. A few tips here. Choose a level with intention. Round numbers and prior support or resistance often make practical targets. Be mindful of the asset's quote currency and decimal places to avoid typos. If the asset is very volatile, consider giving yourself a bit of buffer so the alert triggers at a level you'll actually act on. Once you're happy with the target, confirm to save the alert. After confirmation, the alert becomes active and eToro will notify you when the market hits that level based on your notification settings. It's a good idea to ensure app, email, or push notifications are enabled on your device so you don't miss it. You can revisit the same alert area later to view, edit, or remove the alert if your strategy changes. That's all there is to it. Open the asset page, go to the chart, tap the bell, set your target price, and confirm. With alerts in place, you can stay informed and respond to the market on your terms.